Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite holiday recipes. Soft, delicious, vegan and gluten-free Linzer cookies. They are completely medical medium friendly and made with wholesome, natural ingredients. They're perfect for cozy winter days, Christmas gatherings, or when you just want something sweet and comforting. This recipe is super easy. First, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients really well in a bowl. We've got finely ground almonds, white rice flour, potato starch, tapioca starch, and a little bit of baking powder. Give it a good stir so everything blends nicely together. To make the dough easier to roll out and shape, you can add about 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, carob bean gum or guar gum. This really helps the dough hold together better and makes it much easier to work with later. Next, we'll add the wet ingredients. I'm using a bit of melted coconut oil, some pure maple syrup for that gentle sweetness, and the seeds of a vanilla bean for extra flavor. Now mix everything together until it forms a smooth dough. The dough will be quite soft at this point, so we'll chill it in the fridge until it's firm enough to roll out. Once the dough has chilled and feels firm enough, it's ready to roll out. Sprinkle a little flour on your surface, then roll it to your desired thickness and start cutting out the cookies in any shapes you like. That's it. Now they're ready to bake. After baking, let the cookies cool just a little. They should be slightly warm. Then gently fill them with your favorite jam. I'm using raspberry jam that I made myself from frozen raspberries without any refined sugar. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how I make it. I'd be happy to film a video and share my recipe with you. Make sure you add a generous amount of jam when filling the cookies. The jam tends to sink into the dough quite quickly, and if you don't use enough, the cookies can dry out a bit faster. So don't be shy. A thick, nice layer makes them extra delicious and perfectly balanced. And that's it. Our vegan and gluten-free Linzer cookies are ready. They look so pretty and taste absolutely amazing, especially with that fruity jam in the middle. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.